Here we go. Let's check out Nvfy Nova Lifestyle. Now on this chart, let's go back in April. You know, one line picks it up a little above. Quick buy and sell. Didn't really work that well, of course. Then you have the buy right here on 6.2. 109 goes to 150, almost 2. Very nice move here. Then they had the sell July 3rd, 139. Now, closer we get here, July 8th, 159. Immediately works. Look at that big candle. That's what you want. You want immediate going up. That is a great sign. 2, 2.5. You go to 3, 3.5. Now, right here, they had the sell July 22nd, 304. Now, to me on this move, that's not really a sell. Shooting star wick. Actually, this is a shooting star wick. I couldn't see with the line. It blends in. That could have been a sell right here. So you could have played it on the out and then, you know, see on the next day what it does. It didn't really go down much. And then look what happened. If you're watching this, you're on this, it goes up again. To me, this is a sell. You have a cross, another, you know, spinning cross, you could say, and then the sell here. So 91% on this. Let's look back on the chart now. Now, going back from basically March, you can see this is steadily rising. This was at 50 cents. This is a very slow grinding mover. You know, 1, 150, you know, 1 to 2. Algo alerts right here on this candle. So, you know, pretty oversold there too. You can see we're oversold in June, so that was a good point. Start to go up. You know, 2 line. There's a shooting star now. Usually that is a sell most of the time. You can see back here, shooting star right here. It went down very slightly though, so it's an either or. You could have got out after this little run and then, you know, see what happened the next day, which went up. Could have even been red. Then you would have been out anyway. So this day you'd have to be in right on the day because it exploded up. You have a cross here, another cross, you're going down. To me, this is all a sell here. Once I see this, and then you're starting to fade in between these days, after this day, of course, and then we'll see if this starts to go down now, the short, or it could come back up. It's got to hold this 275 line. Let's look at the weekly. So you can see this big broadening wedge now, you know, low to high. This started way in January. Look at stochastics, low, higher, higher, coming up. And the monthly chart, you know, it's a big green candle now. It's put in major wicks back when, even these wicks. But this is a bigger move. Look how this is going up. You haven't seen that, so it could be something up. This could be even a better move. See the 4 hour, you want that 275 to hold. 2 hour right there. Where's the 1 hour? 275 to hold, basically. What happened on the day, too? 5-minute chart. You had a lot of halts. Look at this, went down. Very sketchy action, too. Not the best action, of course. And what was the volume today? 110,000. So not great volume, but you know, it's a chart to learn for swinging. You don't need that much to swing trade to go long or short, whatever you're doing. But you know, the algos picked it up again. They picked it up low, and all these moves here. There's more algo moves I just did in the video earlier. So you know, it absolutely works, and you use your own judgment too. But that's where we're at. So a great gain here. Yeah, we'll see what happens with this one, if it fades back or, you know, it's going to even push higher at this point, so we'll watch. It's really going to break now at 325 line. It's been struggling. See, it came back all these times. All right, so that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trades on YouTube. Smash the like button. All of their social media. Check it out. Peace.